Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm unboxing a Chic beauty box. You want to see what I got? Stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen and I am so glad that you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Hey, for anyone who's not familiar, the Chic Beauty Box is a bi-monthly subscription box. It comes every other month, and it costs $34.99 per box. You can purchase a single box for $39.99, or you can have the $34.99 recurring subscription, or you can do an annual subscription where you prepay for 6 boxes. That's $189.99, which works out to be $31.67 per box. They say you will receive 5 to 6 full-size beauty items worth over $100. This is the November-December box, but they call it November-December, but I mean it actually wasn't delivered until the 7th of December is when I received mine. So usually if I think November-December, I expect to receive it in November, but just know that it comes toward the end of the first month or beginning of the second month. This one, because it's the holidays, is a special edition box. And I also want to show you the overwrap on this. This is really cool little holiday bags. How much fun is that? You know, and it was marked fragile, which is nice because you don't see that always on these boxes, and that's how you end up with a lot of broken pallets and things. So it is a fairly small box, but it feels pretty firmly packed. So let's check it out and see what is in it. You do get a card, and here is the front of the card, and on the back you get a list of all the items, and there is variation 1 and variation 2. I will tell you that I've got a mix. I must have variation, you know, 3 or something. Yeah, I've got a mixture. So there are more than 2 variations of products, but let's go through and take a look. The first one blew me away. The fact that this is in, that they have Yves Saint Laurent in the box. I hope you can see that. This is the Glossy Stain. This is a lip product that combines the texture and shine of a gloss with the long wear of a stain. And it is available in 9 shades. I don't know how many were available in the boxes, but from Yves Saint Laurent, it's available in 9 shades. I received shade number 8, which is Orange de Chine. So that is the color. I don't do oranges, so I'm very bummed about the fact that this is gonna have to go in a giveaway, because as much as I would like to, it's just not a shade I would wear. So retail on this is $38. I have never ever seen, I mean, Yves Saint Laurent in a subscription box? I don't know. Okay, next from Maybelline Face Studio brushes. We've got a contour, is it a contour brush? A contour brush. Here's the packaging on that, and I'm going to open it up so we can take a look. Oh yeah, definitely a contour brush. It's very soft. It's soft to the touch, but firm. So, you know, it would certainly be really good for, you know, for, like I said, for contouring, for getting in, you know, for the cheekbones and whatnot. So, I'm pretty excited about that. You know, I love brushes. The retail value on the Maybelline Face Studio contour brush is $10.98. This is from Bare Minerals. This is the Round the Clock 8 p.m. Intense Cream Glide Eyeliner. This is either black or a very dark brown. Can't really tell. Retail on that is $17. Next we have from NYX. This is the Off Tropic Shadow Palette. We've got an eyeshadow palette. They say this is inspired by the heat and hues of an island paradise. I'm going to leave the plastic on here because it's sealed really nicely, but hopefully you can see those shades. Very tropical. That green up here in the corner, oh, gorgeous. The retail on that is $20. And Down at the bottom, very well encased in bubble wrap. We have from Kevin Aquan, is another name you don't hear in subscription boxes. This is the Neo Limelight. See, that's a little metallic. It's a universal 3-in-1 highlighter in soft, radiant shades that come together for a natural looking all-over glow. And inside it's in this little velvet-like pouch. Oh, is that gorgeous? Please be a shade I can use. Please be a shade I can use. And there it is. I don't know how well that's coming across. Maybe if I hold it back a little bit. Sort of purpley on one side and pink on the other. It goes sort of from purple to peach. I can make that work. I've never seen sort of this ombre look highlighter, but that's really kind of cool. And again, Kevin Aquan is not a name that you think of when you think subscription boxes. You know, there are certain brands that come up in subscription boxes a lot. And that's one of the things that I really like about the Chic Beauty Box is that you do get name brands that you don't usually see in subscription boxes. Last month, or last box, so it would have been 2 months ago, I got a couple of NARS products, which is another brand that you don't see very often, but you know, Kevin Aquan and Yves Saint Laurent is just a whole nother level. So this Kevin Aquan highlighter retails for $38. So those are our 5 items this time, because they do say you'll get 5 to 6 items worth over $100. So we got the highlighter, which is a value of $38. The Yves Saint Laurent lip product, which is also $38. The NYX eyeshadow palette, the eyeliner, and the contour brush. Total retail value was $123.98. I'm not unhappy even a little bit. There's a couple of things in there that I will pass along to somebody who is complexion they will be better suited to, but I love the Chic Beauty Box. This is one that I look forward to. You do get to customize some of the items in it, so if you have thought about it, I've got a link down below if you have any interest in checking it out. I really enjoy it. It's become one of my favorite boxes. So leave any comments down in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.